You see, discipline is the difference between the man you are and the man you keep pretending you'll become one day. Discipline is the bridge. Discipline is the weapon. Discipline is the father you never had, the mentor you never met, the structure your childhood never gave you. And until you built it, your purpose will stay locked behind the doors you won't walk through. Become a man your future can stand behind. You want success? Discipline. You want a stronger body? Discipline. You want peace? It's discipline. You want love that lasts? It's discipline. You want God to elevate you? It's discipline. Dreams are so romantic, but the world doesn't reward potential. It rewards discipline. Nobody cares how gifted you are if you can't show up. Nobody cares how smart you are if you can't execute. Nobody cares how much you want it if you won't work for it. Discipline separates the men with the fantasies from the men with legacies, because the battle is not outside, it's inside. Your greatest opponent is not another man, not your environment, not your past. It's the voice inside of you that says, do it later, sleep in, you're tired, you deserve a break, you worked hard enough. That voice has killed more dreams than failure ever has. Keep showing up, queen. Keep showing up, king. Keep showing up to the world. It's your time. Everybody wants to feel inspired. Everybody wants goosebumps and hype. Everybody wants that fire in their chest, but motivation fades. Emotions lie and feelings flip. The man without discipline is dangerous to his own future. You're fighting habits passed down from men who never learned how to control themselves. You're fighting patterns built in houses full of chaos, emotion, and survival. But let me tell you something powerful. Discipline is generational warfare. You don't rise because you feel like rising. You rise because you said so. Because you command your flesh to obey your future. You think discipline is punishment? No. It's protection. Protection from the weaker version of you. The day you wake up early and pray, read, build, train, work, focus, you are breaking chains your father never broke. Your grandfather never broke. Your whole bloodline never broke. So today, right here, right now, make the declaration. This is the season I become dangerous. This is the season I become disciplined. This is the season I become the man I was created to be. And once you decide, don't break your word. You better not break your word, because your destiny is watching. Your legacy is listening. Your future is waiting. Now go become the man your purpose has been praying for. The world doesn't respect talent. It respects discipline. Yeah, talent is cute. Potential is sweet. Dreams are so romantic, but the world doesn't reward potential. It rewards discipline. Imagine you want to start a business or get in shape. You start to realize how difficult it is. The excitement fades. The results aren't there. But that's the point where most people give up. That's also where champions are made. I want you to think of the greats like Michael Jordan, Mary Curry, Martin Luther King Jr., what they all have in common is not a perfect journey to the top, but an ability to keep showing up, even when it would have been easy to quit. But here's the secret. You don't have to be extraordinary to start, but you have to start to be extraordinary. You can lose that weight, but only if you keep showing up day after day, early mornings, late nights, even if you're tired and you don't feel like it. Every day that you keep showing up, you're sending a message to life saying, I'm here to stay. I'm here to fight. I'm here to win. Others may quit, but not me. Not today. Not tomorrow. Not ever. I gave too much of my time to this dream. I gave too much of my soul to this dream. I gave you my heart. I gave you the last words that I can leave on this earth to help another kid that buried his mother and buried his father before they became men and women. The journey in life is one of the hardest journeys you will ever take, because you spend your whole life searching to become this great person. But when you finally make it, the people that you wanted to save is no longer living. So you gotta find another passion, another inspiration to keep going. God leaves your gift at the bottom of the stairs. And it's up to you to keep climbing. It's up to you to keep fighting. It's up to you to keep clawing and believing in your purpose. Believing in your dreams and believing in the impossible. Live full and die empty. Become a gladiator. Become an individual that steps in the light and doesn't run from it, but run towards it. That's the true making of a king. That's the true making of a queen. Keep showing up, because life will never stop until the dirt covers you. But make sure when that dirt covers you, the world remembers your name forever. Keep showing up, kid. Where a man or a woman is made, the places where you bury loved ones, and you gotta keep going on without the journey. When you've been going to interviews for months and months and months, and they give you that call back and they say, I'm sorry, you just didn't have what we were looking for. Is somebody out there right now? Is somebody quick right now? And I want you to look me in my eyes and listen to me. You are special. No matter if you have a degree, no matter if you work at McDonald's, you are special. The journey. I need you to understand this. It's you versus you. Your dream versus the world. Let them see you shine. Some's gonna fail tests, some's gonna lose family members. But what not? Keep chasing. The dream that hunts you. The dream that bites and eats at your soul. Because this is the only thing you want to do. But just like when Coach used to say, keep running. I can hear him now. He said, keep running, Will. Keep running. I know you're tired. Keep running. You want that degree? Keep running. You want that high school diploma? Keep running. You want to send your mom out through projects? Keep running. You want a beautiful life? Keep running. Let them watch you rise like the phoenix and become one of the greatest this world has ever seen. The journey. This journey of life, this journey full of ups and downs and pain. Are you ready for it? Are you going to sit down in the valley of pity for the rest of your life? Or you going to rise? This is you versus you. Listen to me again. I need you to understand this. This is you versus you. You see, once you stop paying attention to everything that has nothing to do with you, your life will change. You wake up every single day, you get on your Instagram, you get on your Facebook, and what do? You scroll up to see what's going on in other individuals' lives. And I need you to teach you the lesson of staying in your lane, understanding your unique gifts that you have to give this world. You see, what I will relate to you guys with is the fact that I started off with a terrible household. I started off with people telling me, you're gonna be just like your father. I started off with the echoes of the doubters screaming that you will stay in this pit of hell for the rest of your life. And as I watched around me, other kids listened. Other kids made this a part of their DNA. They decided to make this their reality. But I ran away. I ran towards my dreams because I understood that if I do not make it, my family dies in this pit of hell. But the only way I can start running is when I realized that it was me versus me. Not him versus me or her versus me or them versus me. It was me versus me. To the man that's already 100 miles ahead of you. And focus on your next step. Put the crown on and become a king. I'm asking for other people to make you great. And no, this will not be given to you. You're going to have to take it. No, not with force or power, but I'm talking about your pure work ethic. About that ordinary man outworking the so-called extraordinary man. Put your crown on. I'm going to tell you a story about one day I had to wake up and I had to go all the way down to another city to speak, and I had no money to get there. All I had was $1.25 and a burned desire. to make it. You see, on this day, I learned about life and journeys. I learned that there's going to be people that you love the most, that you look in their eyes and you ask them, do you believe in me? You ask them. Their mouth will tell you yes, but their eyes, it will tell you no. But it's not about what they did to you, it's about what you're going to do when it's done. Yes, in life we have plenty of people that say, but I say, it's about, that's what this journey is about. It's about once we take our eyes off our destination, we start to trip. We start to trip over fake family members and fake. But I promise you, if you look in the mirror and you ask yourself, what do you have to do to be successful? People ask me, Will, what is your morning routine? My morning routine is whatever it takes to be the greatest. I like to walk in new pastures and go into new valleys of battles. I will take that phone call. I will answer that email. I will go to the slums. I will go where the killers at. From the man above to save the souls that's dying inside. You see, the biggest mistake you motivators make in this world is you try to change too much. And what happens when you do things too fast? You make a mess. You see, me, I learned this very thing: take it, keep it, caress it. Meet them where they are so you can take them where you wake up every single day thinking about how can I change my life? How can I stand on the stage with the giants? I realized that everything I ever dreamed of lives in the sky, and I must jump every single day to go reclaim what's mine. And that's royalty. As long as you believe in that very gift that you have in the bottom of your stomach, that fire that burns, that dream that wakes you up in the middle of the night and have you screaming to the sun, rise so I can go after this dream. That is the very thing that you should chase every single day. You're going to have to be phenomenal in everything you do, because everyone in the world is chasing greatness. And what do you do when a man is going 100 miles per hour and you haven't even started the engine yet? Embrace being the individual that they say cannot do. The best gifts come from the bottom. They will not see you coming as you rise, as you work every single day, tirelessly.